I read you grew up in New Jersey. ये तो है.
Yeah, in fact.
So you're basically American.
I am American. I mean, my passport's American.
But you grew up there.
I grew up there, yeah.
Oh, you grew up in New Jersey.
Yeah.
It's full of Indians, no?
Everybody was an Indian.
Yeah.
Everybody was a Guju.
How disappointing.
Like, everybody was an Indian. Yeah, it was like...
तो गुजराती बोले थोड़ी.
मतलब समझ में आती है.
हाँ.
Like केटला वागे छे. You know, I can say some phrases.
Ketla has to be there. Because that's a very
there.
important word.
Yeah, Ketla has to be there. You have to
You
say
know,
it
doing
right
business.
also.
Yeah.
Business, yeah, business families. So I had a lot of Gujaratis growing up everywhere around. Few Punjabis. But we were very Indian. Like मेरे घर में अंग्रेजी नहीं बोली जाती थी. Although my father's educated in English, he's an English thinker, but he used to like...
You kept the desi quality.
He was like too much.
Which I thought the other thing happens normally with second generation, or
when they go there, yeah, they freeze frame.
And they become more, they become more like the ethnicity outside.
Yeah. And I think it's holding on to tradition, you know. And I think my father particularly, like really hardcore Punjabi militant kind of man. So
don't say Punjabi militant, na beta. Say Punjabi.
Shoot, yeah. It was a comma, okay? Punjabi,
very
comma,
militaristic.
Militaristic.
मुश्किल लैंग्वेज है भाई, you can't understand it.
देखो मैं हिंदी में बोलता हूँ. So yes, he was very much like that. Actually, when I went to kindergarten, which is your pre-junior, your nursery or whatever, I didn't know English. So I remember my teachers looking at me, मैं हिंदी में बात कर रहा हूँ. You know,
really, but
so this was the kind of upbringing I had. Yeah, so I was a massive identity crisis growing up. Massive.
So how do you not? If you're there, all your friends will be American and all, no? I mean, Desi Americans will also be like.
Nobody knew the language like I knew it, but it was like in my house, no one spoke in English, and like from 1, 2, 3, by the time you get to some nursery, आपको क्या पता? You don't know anything. You know some of the language, but you don't know. You speak what you're speaking to your parents.
Sad. So your first fight in kindergarten, when the guy said "motherfucker," you said "badger."
I probably said "mahaloda."
And initially they became friends because both thought it's ये प्यार से बात हो रहा है.
ये तो प्यार से बोल रहा है. The Hindi gali is way better than the American gali. The American gali you can say one way.
Yeah.
You say, fuck man,
I
fuck
feel,
this thing.
yeah, and I
don't
feel
know if
like
you can say
they're
all this on your show,
restricted.
but they're restricted.
We use so many phrases.
You can also say it with so much.
Lovely.
You can say it from your heart.
This is a proper Punjabi.
Yeah, you can really say
proper
it.
education.
यहाँ से बोला जाता है. Like, you know, you can really say it.
PR.
She's dying.
is thinking he's here to talk about films.
She's dying. She's red. Sorry, KK.
Sorry,
yeah. Also, different parts of India say the galis so differently.
Yeah.
It's amazing, absolutely amazing.
Yeah, in the north sometimes it sounds sweet also. Hey, Mikey Chud.
Hey, Mikey Chud. I don't know, Mikey Chud.
एक बार और बोलो.
Yeah, my father used to say it, yaar, out of love. Like, I mean, again, गाली ज़्यादा दे रहे हैं आज, but like he would say, "पैंचो क्या कर रहा है?" You know, it just come out of his mouth.
I think Panju and Parsi families have this issue where the bad language is adjectives, no?
Yeah.
It's not necessarily got to do with gali.
No, it's not a
so
gali.
You grow up not realizing you're saying a bad word till suddenly people are looking at you.
Seriously, man. Seriously. And then suddenly you're like, hey, गाली क्यों दे रहा है? मैं गाली नहीं दे रहा हूँ. मैं तो प्यार से बोल रहा हूँ.
No, I remember, I think India was playing Pakistan in the late 80s and we were studying. And the tutor was there and my dad was watching. And there was some appeal. And I think Myanmar was batting. And he shouted, "Oh, Banjo! No. And my tutor was very like, you know, Sharif kind of guy.
Oh, shit.
He was like, boss.
क्या बोल दिया?
Yeah.
ये कौन सा घर है?
We were kids were laughing. Good times, man.
Yeah.